To find good options trades in Robinhood, start by understanding the basics of options trading. Options are contracts that give you the right to buy or sell a stock at a set price, known as the strike price, before a certain date, known as the expiration date. First, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock you are interested in trading options on. Click on the stock to go to its detail page. Then click on the Trade button and select the Options tab. Next, choose the type of options trade you want to make, either a call or a put. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock. Now, use the options chain to find a good trade. The options chain is a table that shows all the available options contracts for a stock. Look for options with a high volume and open interest, as these are more liquid and easier to trade. Also, consider the volatility of the stock and the time to expiration. Higher volatility and more time to expiration can increase the value of the option. Another important factor is the Greeks, which are measures of the option's sensitivity to different factors. The most important Greeks are delta, gamma, theta, and vega. Delta measures the option's sensitivity to the stock price. Gamma measures the sensitivity of delta to the stock price. Theta measures the sensitivity to time. And vega measures the sensitivity to volatility. When selecting an options trade, consider your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are bullish on a stock, you may want to buy a call option. If you are bearish, you may want to buy a put option. Finally, set a limit order to buy or sell the option at a specific price. This will help you get the best possible price for your trade. Always monitor your trades and adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps and considering these factors, you can find good options trades in Robinhood and make informed investment decisions. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.